Kind of showing, I know it's coming up, and I've kind of made sure. I've come through with the palm a couple times. I've checked out the axillary. I know she's not ticklish. I know she's not going to have a range of motion restrictions. So I know it's safe to be in there. So the easy way to come in is a little balm on the back of the hand. And this is one of those things where if you have a lot of oil, it's almost completely a waste of time, right? If I can't get skin. So I'm going to come in and just see what I can get. And I'm just sort of carving out. Again, the wrist bends a bit, but I'm not doing a lot of pressure, so I'm not worried about it on my body. It's easy work, just seeing surface tissue, right? And then I'm going to come in a little deeper. I hide my elbow like between her belly and the table, so I'm not going crunch, 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 crunch like that, right? But as soon as I find enough tissue here, either serratus or lat or something, as soon as I know I can come up into that area, I start to come up and rotate around. How are we doing?
Okay.
And she's a little leaner, so the leaner they are, is kind of the more I have to be careful. But I'm going to get under that shoulder blade in a minute. I'm going to really push into my arm. I'm going to my hand above her. How are we doing still?
Excellent.
Still good?
Oh yeah. Absolutely.
Then I come out. And I'll go back, and again when I go back, just to make sure I don't push her arm into my groin, I just put my thumb here so I can go back and go. And my chest is actually holding her arm there too. And then kind of come up. Or I might even come out, turn, start pushing like that or something. Okay, so just get in there, make sure, just open that all up.